one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Action.
You're supposed to talk.
You didn't tell me that. You said, are you going to talk in it?
Hey everybody, welcome back. She says, you always do this.
Do I sound like that?
Yeah, you always do this. Alright, so it's 1 month. Getting up back here so you can see what we're here for. It's 1 month until JaxCon. It's today is January the 10th and February the 11th is JaxCon, and we were planning on having this thing finished, but as you can see, it's just a pile of parts, which it's got some work done to it. It's just really, it's ready for prep and paint. So all right, Ruthie, go ahead and tell them about it. Tell them all about it.
Well, I've changed the paint color.
Okay. Yeah, again, this is the third time. So she's thinking
It was going to be that,
butterscotch for the body.
but now I'm thinking like one of these two.
So we've got the pumpkin decals here that have to somewhat match the body paint, because you got the body paint and you got the fender paint.
I wanted pink, but it didn't match. So
She wanted that coral mist color, but it just didn't match pumpkins very well. I don't know, maybe it would, but so what this was going to be the fender color, dark burnt orange metallic, and butterscotch. That was what the second choice was, and then this time she maybe Adobe beige, or maybe Tamiya's wooden deck brown or tan for the body color. She was looking up here at this mercury, and she kind of liked, it was kind of dark, sorry, but she liked that color, kind of a tan color. So maybe, we don't know. And then what was the fenders were going to be black, right? Maybe black now.
what was
The fenders, yeah.
I think
So instead of the orange, now maybe do black fenders. It'll probably end up being yellow like the box and black fenders when it's all said and done.
Looks too much like a bumblebee.
Like a bumblebee. It's got to be a pumpkin delivery. The engine is all torn apart and ready to start doing some painting. All the chrome is going to have to be de-chromed. What did I tell you we have to do for that? How do we do that?
You soak it in something.
Soak it in something, that's right. A cup of something. We'll soak the chrome, get it off, and have to respray chrome. So you'll be seeing Ruthie spray some chrome paint. Got to get the frame painted, the engine and all that mounts those are all done. Everything's just like was mocked up, now disassembled. So anyway, ready? Let's we got to do some little bit of sanding. We'll shoot some primer, and this video will not be long. Not going to be a long video, but we do expect, and in the comment section, please give her the encouragement she needs to finish this thing. Like, tell her that you're going to be at JaxCon and that you expect to see it. And anyway, here we go. Alright, so she's about to paint. She didn't know I was recording. Alright, so she's got the mask on because we don't want her to inhale any. She says she can't breathe. So
It's like suffocating.
well, don't put your hands across those holes right here. Yeah, you'll get used to it. Alright, so we got all her parts that need to be painted primer. Primer's in the cup already on the airbrush. And I'm going to turn on the vacuum. Or can you reach down there and turn it on? And we'll play some music, and here we go.
Oh
put your chrome parts into the, oh, we forgot to paint the radiator. Paint your, undo your chrome.
All of it?
Don't put these two things in there.
What two? Oh.
There's two squares, don't put them in there. But everything else has got tons of flash on it, so we're going to re-chrome. Ruthie's going to get her hand, try her hand at chrome paint.
This?
Yep. Alright, give it a good shaking.
Oh wait, hang on.
Oh, what's that? Okay, yeah, there you go. I wonder where's all that stuff.
We got little things.
Oh, that was the hood ornament. I wasn't going to do that one. Oh,
Oh.
well. Oh well. Maybe we could get it out real fast. Tweezers. Tweezers. Scalpel. Get it? Scared. I have to rinse that one off really fast. I got a bowl of water right here. Rescue. There you go. Oh man, it's already turned. I think. Oh well, if it does, we'll paint it. Okay. Anyway. So all those parts are painted as you guys saw. So good. And now the engine has to be painted, which that's going to be on the next video. Primer's got to dry. We'll do some finish sanding on it, and then she'll finish picking out, because actually she changed her mind again a while ago on the paint. So we'll figure out what color paint it's going to be, and she will paint the sucker, get it painted. And it's so simple. It's super simple, especially some of the modifications made it even simpler. The bill of her hat. You know how cool girls are. They gotta have that bill
Cool girls.
pulled way down. Anyway.
No, that actually makes you look dorky.
Alright, so I'm glad she got back out here. She says, Daddy, I need to make some money.
Yeah, I do. I got stuff in my Amazon card I need to buy.
So the more of you that watch this video, she'll get it. She'll get it all. It ain't much, but it helps. But anyway. Alright, so man, this stuff is already this is my secret dechroming agent, and it has already completely, the chrome's gone already. Ain't that something? Man, that stuff is good. It's
What is it?
It's called Fast Orange or something like that. It's a ooh man, there we go. It's a blurry to me anyway. Is it blurry or clear?
No, it's clear now.
Okay. Okay, so done with this video. Just gonna make it something sweet, short and sweet. Anything else you want to say?
No.
Nothing? You don't have a channel or anything?
No, I don't.
She don't have a channel?
Please go follow me on my channel. Simply Ruth.
Simply Ruth. It's always in the description of the videos. Go check her channel out. And in a few more days, we'll have another video with some paint getting on this thing and the engine being painted. So that's going to be really cool. So, okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Check out Hobby Nut Models, Facebook group, Spring Store. I really appreciate all you guys supporting me and us, our family, in that way, as well as the Patreon group. You guys are great. So, close it out.
Just buy or something. I don't know if you
I always do it real awkward. Like, okay, I already said everything that we always say.
I was like...
Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye.
See? Oh, that was weird. I'm telling you bye. I was actually telling you bye.
bye.
I don't know what I'm
Okay.
thinking. All right. I'm nervous. I'm usually out here by myself. I don't have anybody out here bothering with me. Okay.
Bothering
with me. Daddy, I need to make some money.
I don't.
She could
sound
make
like
some
that.
money if she had her own channel and a
I
bunch of
have my own channel.
model. I know.
I don't
but
want
if-
to build models.
No.
I do.
Well, that was devastating to everybody watching you.
Myself, I don't want a channel where I have to come out here every single day.
Okay. Wow. Well. Oh well. It was fun while it lasted. All right, you'll finish this one. You got a few more you got to do because people are expecting it. But anyway, okay, now we're done. Check out all those things in the description of the video, and we'll see you guys and get some paint on this 29 Ford pickup by Ruthie, the Pumpkin Mobile. All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now say bye.
Bye.
All right. Bye.